Hey there, today we're going to be swapping out the air filter in a 2011 Toyota Sienna. I'm always surprised at how much a mechanic will charge you to swap out either the engine air filter, which is what we're going to do right now, or the cabin air filter. Now the cabin air filter in some vehicles is a little bit hard to get to, usually kind of behind the glove box, but the engine air filter, super simple to get into, and there is no need for you to pay somebody to do that. So let me show you how it's done. Very quick, easy process. This is your air filter compartment right here. It's got a couple of latches that just flip back, and then slides out. Your air filter's on the back side right there. That comes out. You can see it's got a little bit of stuff in there. It's getting a little dark. New air filter. Package. Drop it in. Nice and clean. And that just slides right back in. Latch your latches back in there. Make sure it's nice and tight. And that's all there is to it. You're done. I appreciate you watching. Thanks for tuning in. If you do this project, let me know how it goes in the comments. If you have any questions about any of the details, definitely let me know. I'll put some links to the filter that I got for this, plus some other options on Amazon. If you haven't already, go ahead and like the video, subscribe if it helped you out, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks a lot.